Good morning, viewers. You are most welcome to this presentation on a very familiar term in Ayurveda called Brihat Panchamul. Brihat Panchamul, you will be familiar with this term, and this will be regularly, repeatedly, and enormously used in Ayurveda. So, let us have a look into it. Bilwa Kasmaria Tarkari Patla Tintuker Mahat Jayet Kasaya Tikta Ushnang Panchamulang Kafa Anilo. Here Bilwa, Kashmaria, Tarkari, Patla, Tintuk. These 5 drugs are Mahat means Brihat. Jayet Kasaya Tikta Ushnang. They will get victory upon Kapha Anilo, Kaph and Vat, because of Kasaya and Tiktarasa, Ushna, Bidya, and that Panchamul are called Brihat Panchamul. Bilva, Kashmaria is Gambhari, Tarkari is Agdimantha, Patla, and Tintuk is Shonak. Tintuk is the synonym of Shonak, Kashmaria is the synonym of Gambhari, Tarkari is the synonym of Agnimantha here. Here you can see the photographs of each plant of Brihat Panchamul. The first one is Bilva. Here it is Bilva, it is Gambhari, it is Patla, the plant depicted is Shonak, and it is Agnimantha. So, these 5 drugs Bilva, Gambhari, Patla, Shonak, and Agnimantha are 5 drugs which are included under Brihat Panchamul. Here the first plant, Bilva plant with fruit. The photograph demonstrates here Bilva plant with the fruit. Here you can see the Bilva twak or the bark of Bilva. Bilva is having the botanical name Aegle marmelos. It belongs to the family Rutaceae, and as per Ayurveda, it is included under Jambira Kula. The Rasapanchaka of Bilva is the useful part here Mula, Patra, and Phala, Ras, Kashaya, and Tikta. Gunas of Bilva are Laghu and Ruksha. Vipaka will be Kadu, Bidya will be Ushna. It is having activities like Sotha Hara, anti-inflammatory, Vedana Sthapana, anti-pain or painkillers, Arshogna, that is useful for piles or hemorrhoids, Vata Samaka, that means it normalizes Vata, Asthapanopaga, it is useful for Asthapan Basti, or Anuvasanopaga, that means it is useful drug for Anuvasan Vasti. Now you see the second plant, Gambhari. Here the photograph of Gambhari with its small fruits and flowers and leaves. Gambhari leaves which are young shoots, you can see in the picture. Now you can see the Gambhari of a big tree with the inflorescence of Gambhari. The second plant Gambhari, it is coined the botanical name like Melina arborea. It belongs to the family Tharvinaceae, and as per Ayurveda, it is included under Nirgundi Kula. Let us see the useful part of Gambhari. Mula, Phala and Pushpa. The root, the fruit and the flowers are the useful part of Gambhari. Rasa, Tikta, Kasaya, Madhura. Guna, Guru Guna and Snigdha Guna. Bidya of Gambhari is Ushna. The Bipak, the taste after digestion, is Kadu. The properties, therapeutic utilities of Gambhari include Sotahara, that means it is also anti-inflammatory. Daha Prasamana, that diminishes the burning sensation or hot sensation of your body. Virechanopaga, that is, it will help or aid in virechen or laxation. Now, the third plant, Patla. Patla, here the photograph shows the whole plant of Patla. Here you can see the leaf of Patla, and here the right side you can see the flower bud of Patla. The third plant, Patla, has botanical name Stereospermum suaveolens. Family it belongs to is Bignoniaceae, and as per Ayurveda it is included under Shionak Kula. The useful part of Patla is Mula or the root, the Rasa, Tikta and Kasaya. Gunas are Laghu and Ruksha. It belongs to Ushna Bidya drugs. The Bipak it undergoes is Katu. It is Sotahara, Hikka Nigrahana, Kanthya and Hridya. It is anti-inflammatory. It relieves Hikka. It is good for your throat or throat disorders. It is good for cardiac anomalies. Patla is Bignoniaceae, Latin name Stereospermum suaveolens. The paryas are Madhuduti, Ativallabha, Tamrapushpi, Krishnavrinta, Kuberakshi, Kumbhipushpi, Amogha, Ambovasano. Like that, in English, the morphology refers to it is a big tree having the height of 60 feet. Chemical compositions mainly gum, gun as I mentioned, Laghu Ruksha, Tikta Kasaya Rasa, Katu Vipaka, Ushna Bidya, and therapeutic utilization in Tridosahara, Aruchi, anorexia, Swas, that is bronchial asthma, Sotha is inflammation as well as edema. Then Rakta Vikaras, Chardi is vomiting, Hikka, Trishnahara, it is anti-satiating, Pushpa is Hridya, the flower is good for heart or cardiac anomalies, and it is Kanthya, that is good for your throat. Projanga is Mulatvak, dose 50 to 100 ml of quat. Vishishta Yoga includes Dasmula Rishta. The common and well known drug in Ayurveda is Dasmula Rishta. Here the fourth drug, Brihat Agnimantha. Agnimantha has been mentioned, but our classics has mentioned two types. The first one is Brihat Agnimantha. Here you can see the picture of Brihat Agnimantha. Now Laghu Agnimantha picture is also available. This is Laghu Agnimantha. Now we have the botanical names which are all are accepted: Premna integrifolia, Premna ceratifolia, Premna micronata and Clerodendron phlomides. The family it belongs to is Farbinaceae, and as per Ayurveda it is under Nirgundi Kula. The useful part is Mula. As I told you, Brihat Panchamula. So it is useful part is Mula. The rasa are Tikta and Katu. Gunas include Laghu and Ruksha. Birya is Ushna. Vipak is Katu. It is Bedana Stapana. It is painkiller, you can say. Sita Prashamana, that decreases or diminishes the cold sensation of your body. Anuvashonopaga and Sotha Hara. It is anti-inflammatory and it is helpful for Anuvasan Basti. Agnimanta Brihad, Brihadvan. It belongs to the family Bharvinaceae. The Latin name is Premna micronata. Parayas are Jaya, Sriparna, Ganikarika, Vatagani. It is a tree up to 30 to 35 feet. The gunas are Lago Ruksha, as I told. Rasas are Tikta Kadukasai, Vipak is Kadu, Bediya is Usna. Amoyic Prayoga here refers to the therapeutic utilization of this drug. Mandagni, less digestive power. Sotha, inflammation and edema. Pandu is anemia. Prameha, it is diabetes. Rasayana, it is antioxidant, adjuvant, adaptogenic. Amvata, that is rheumatoid arthritis. Gandamala, cervical lymphadenitis. Then Atistola, obesity, excess obesity. Projanga is Patra as well as Mulatvaka. Patra is also sometimes used in some preparations as per some classics, but basically the Mulatvak or the Mula. The dose, if it is Churna, 1 to 3 gram. Vishishta Yoga is Dasmolarishta. That means it is utilized, it is an ingredient of Dasamolarishta. Now come to Shonak. Here you can see the photograph of Shonak. See the fruit, it's like a sword. Now in the picture you can see the Shonak fruits at the top of the tree and the Shonak leaves. The Shonak has the botanical name Oroxylum indicum. The family, it belongs to Bignoniaceae. It refers to Shonak kula as per Ayurvedic classics. The useful part is Mula. The rasa of it is Tikta. Guna is Laghu and Ruksha. Birya it refers to is Sita Virya. Vipak is Kadu. And the amoyic prayoga or the therapeutic utilization are Sotahara, it is anti-inflammatory. Sita Prasamana, it normalizes the burning sensation of your body. Anuvasanopaga, it helps in Anuvasana.